Yeah, I mean, it's #1 selling travel trailer in the United States, so it's
awesome.
definitely, you know, I really kind of, you know, never carrying it before, you didn't really realize, man, it's a nice, really nice product. Makes
Right.
sense now. So, yeah, this is, this particular one, it's a 2022 Wolf Pup and then Black Label.
That's their higher end, right?
Yeah, so Black Label gives you frameless windows, it gives you fiberglass, and there's a laundry list of different amenities that you get with that. So that's, you can get a regular one with just your aluminum siding and a little bit less amenities, or you can go up to a Black Label and get more amenities and fiberglass. This model is a 17 JGBL.
Okay.
Now what's nice about this is it's only 3,800 pounds.
Right.
Right? 23 foot 4 inches. That's total leg hitch to bumper.
Okay.
Right, and then you know, you can sleep up to 5, and it's going to have a single slide. So let's start up front a little bit. That's where I always like to start. I just think they do a nice job as far as their graphic package. You know, they put nice graphics on there. With the Black Label edition, the gel coat and the fiberglass just sets it off.
Yeah.
And look how cool their door is too. Like, you don't see this really in any units, right? So see how that's all like a tempered glass?
That's cool.
It just looks cool.
Uh-huh.
And then they put a cool Black Label badge right here with the blue. That's one thing with Cherokee, they do a lot of blue lighting. That's their thing.
Okay.
Right, so you'll notice you've got blue lighting in your speakers. You've got blue lighting in their badging, blue lighting in here. As we go in, you'll see blue lighting inside as well.
Great. Little outdoor kitchen. Not kitchen, but a refrigerator anyway.
Outside refrigerator. It has a spot where you can hang a TV. Obviously outside speakers, 110 outlets, and then also like a cable jack for your TV if you want to plug in and hang there.
Awesome.
Cool little leash latch. See that on different units where you can.
That's where you put your Wolf Pup.
Oops, where you put your Wolf Pup. That's right. Again, nice themed door that matches everything else. Cool graphics. And then this is, I call it a bike door, bunk door. Allows you to have space here, but then it'll also come up, right? So when that comes up, now you've got, I mean, you can put bikes in there.
Yeah.
Right? So utilizing the space is huge, especially on a smaller unit.
I mean, you put bikes, you put your chairs that will come out here. Once you get to your destination, you take the chairs out, you send them up here, you put this back down, and you're ready to go.
That's right. And then they use Wolf Pup hair for the bedding.
Really?
You feel how soft that is.
That is soft. That feels like a Wolf Pup. All the Wolf Pups I've ever petted, that feels like exactly like it.
I want to show you one last quick thing on the back. So Cherokee, they've got a nice, it's a bike, that's another rack, right? So that'll fold down, spare tower just comes down with it. Then you can put coolers and stuff back on the back here. They come standard with a backup camera. So most are just prepped for their camera. This will actually come with the camera.
Is that because it's a Black Label, most likely, I'm assuming?
No,
or
all of them do it.
Really?
So Black Label or not. And then that'll pair with your phone.
Okay.
Right, so you just pair it with your phone. So you can use it, you know, when you're going down the road, backing up, but also maybe as like a security.
Yeah, wow,
which is
that's
pretty
cool. Sweet.
Absolutely.
All right. And these things are really nice. I've mentioned in past episodes that we got one for our SUV. Just adds so much space having this just to drop down. You know what's nice is having this now with a backup camera, because the first time I got this, when I start backing up, I throw it in reverse. I'm like, oh, that's right, I got that thing hanging off the back. Where had I not had the backup camera, I would have run into a bunch of stuff having this down, totally forgetting about it.
Exactly, yeah, for sure.
So it's nice that they've got the backup camera.
Absolutely.
Jeez, daggone it. Scares me every time I walk in here and I forget that there's somebody already in here. Oh, more Wolf Pup.
Yep, more Wolf Pup, there you go.
This was the torso of a Wolf Pup, just hollowed out and stuffed.
Well, as you come in here, you'll see there's more blue lighting, night lights.
Yeah,
right?
It really is their thing.
Good place for your TV, plug right in there. You got your regular, you know, basically queen bed up front. And then as you basically come around here, obviously you got a U-shaped dinette, but then you've got, I mean, there's just such a laundry list of things. You can't even go through it all.
Yeah.
There's so many cool things. So the thing with, I mean, it's just, you're just two different sizes here, right? You've got, when you come up to that Black Label, you just got so many more amenities. One big thing here, if you'll notice, is you've got solid surface countertops.
Yeah.
right? So that's part of the Black Label edition. Residential faucet. They all come standard with, they call it the hand sanitation.
Is that crazy?
For soap and everything else. And then they do an undermount stainless steel sink, single bowl.
Yeah.
And it's deep, and it's good. It gives you a lot of space there. 2-burner cooktop. So you got 2 burners. Doesn't take up all your counter space. And you actually got a lot of counter space once you put your covers back on, don't you?
You put this down, and I mean,
yeah,
look at that.
It's pretty slick, isn't it?
Yeah, this is nice. And I like that the bed doesn't come out. Like a lot of these, they come out to about here where you get less space. You got a lot of room here.
Yeah, absolutely. So you don't, you got a ton of space coming in and out. These have all the Cherokees have the juice pack, so it's got a solar on board. Okay. Right. So as we go to the back there, you're going to see it's got a residential fridge. Then the solar keeps that, so that works off a 12 volt. Okay. You don't have to worry about running gas or your fridge dying when you're going down the road. It'll still stay cool because it's always being charged from your solar panel. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's check out the bunk. Yep. So there's your 2 bunks. You get your nice sized bunks. Again, they've got the nice material. And this one, remember, is the one that folds up. That's right. So you can keep storage behind it. Yep, and then it folds right back down, so then you can use it for your bed as well. We just had somebody say you do awesome walkthroughs. You got fans out there. Dave Klein. Thank you, Dave. Do you know Dave? Did you pay Dave? Is Dave's check in the mail? I'm sending him a check. Okay. Show him that fridge while you're right there real quick. See how big it is. Here's the fridge. So there you go. Holds plenty of stuff in there. It's on right now. That's cold already. This RV hasn't even been in here very long. That's pretty slick. Yeah. So we got our bathroom here. Let's take a look. Yep. So you have your toilet. Yep. Angle the toilet straight ahead, so it gives you plenty of leg room. You got a really fancy shower in here for such a small. How cool? How cool is that? Yeah. And you can spin around there and see the shower head, which is the. It's better than my house. Yeah. Holy cow. That's impressive. A little sink down there. That's cool. Very cool. So you either have your sink here to, if you need to use a sink in here, a little bit of a basin down there, but you may have to do maybe some teeth brushing out here if you don't want to use that little sink in there. But either way, you get a lot in this little RV. You do.